Dog metal splint hinge flexible support single leg. Separating the legs and chest of the product will result in better wearing. Open the plastic buckle on the back of the chest. Adjust the length of the webbing on the chest and back according to the situation. Fasten the plastic buckle on the dog's chest. Open the product leg and place it close to the dog's leg. Properly attach the Velcro buckle to the leg. Wrap the long webbing around the dog's waist and attach the plastic buckle to the leg. Secure the complementary elastic webbing on the legs. Adjust the length of the webbing on the back to fit the size of the dog.